mostly coming from the front, which really makes me question if it's really a timing chain or not, because the timing chain of this core is in the back of the engine. Gotta like switched around. See, as I go back, oh geez. Okay. Maybe it is coming from the back of the engine. Huh. Okay. Well, that's it.